I tried to find this online in the key of A because sometimes your singers are not in the range of what you can find. I couldn't find it, so I transcribed this for you. So I'll post this on here. Now, here's basically the nut of your guitar. That's the notes where you can do your basically your second position, so you don't have any open notes here. That's the notes in the key of A major. These are all sharps in the key of A major. And then that might help somebody, so pretty explanatory there. Anyway, I'm gonna play it for you while I'm reading this out here, and then I will show you how I play it too. So I hope this helps y'all. I'll play it slow here. All right, I hope that helped y'all. Merry Christmas. And by the way, if you couldn't read that, that's 2, a 4, and a 2. So your bottom line, you got E, A, D, G, B, and E. This is your big fat string on the bottom. So the way I write tab is a little different from some other people. But when I write it just like the guitar is playing. Fat string on the bottom, little string on the top.